everyone, and welcome to AYJJJR Couponer. So today we are here with a coupon chat video. I have this awesome shirt. Don't get in line behind me. I coupon. My aunt and uncle got this for me 2 Christmases ago, and I love it. So I thought I'd throw it on for this video. But as you can see from the title, we're going to talk about how to make couponing fit in your busy life. Life is about to get so busy for me. So if you've been following me for the last 3 years almost 3 years, you know I'm a full-time student, and then I also have done YouTube. So I've been on YouTube for 3 years. This has been the only work I've really done. Honestly, I've not worked at McDonald's or Walmart or anything like that. I've just done this, and it's worked out really well for me and my family. But I'm about to graduate, and that means it's time to take the degree I earned and go get a job. And that's scary, but it's happening. It's happening, and I gotta just do it. Also, I've decided, so that's going to take a lot of my time. Like if it's full time, like 40 hours a week, that's a lot. I'm used to, when you're a student, it is a lot of work, but you're able to kind of set your own schedule. You have your classes that are scheduled for you, but you can dictate when you do your homework, and you can plan your hauls around that. When you're working full time, this is a big deal. You don't have that much free time, and you got to work your life around work. You got to plan your life around work. To add in, I also decided to take the extra 14 months and pursue a master's degree. In my program, it really is a big deal to go ahead and just get that master's degree. It opens up a lot more opportunities. And so I thought, okay, it's 14 extra months. Let's just do it. And to be honest, I'm really not too excited about school ending. School's just been a big part of my life forever. So I was like, let's just keep it going and just get that extra degree. And it's just going to open up a lot more opportunities down the road for teaching. That's one of the things I'd love to do in the future. And that most of the schools around here require a master's degree for that. So that's not what we're talking about. But this is going to get my life. Those 2 things alone, that's craziness. And I also am planning to keep up with YouTube to an extent as much as possible. I don't know what the new normal is going to be for YouTube as of this. I don't know any of that yet because I haven't started a job. But I still want to, I'm not just going to leave one day and not come back. So I'm going to still try to do YouTube as much as possible. So that's a lot of change and not a lot of free time. When I'm done at work, it seems like I'm going to be doing schoolwork or YouTube stuff. And when I'm, going to, then there's the weekends, but the weekends are pretty busy too. I mean, honestly, that's a good time to catch up on stuff. But the weekends is church and just other things going on in life. So doesn't leave a lot of time for couponing, to be honest. But I don't want to give it up because couponing still, it's important to me. And I don't just want to give it up. It's one of my hobbies. I love doing it. And it's also a part of my job on YouTube. But let me show you guys how I have been doing it. So you've been following me. There's been a lot of changes, but I've always pretty much come back to the couponing, the binder. And I love the binder. I do love it. The binder really is an awesome system. Here's what it is. So you basically get your coupons, you put them in these baseball card sheets, and you do it by categories. This is dairy. If I want to find a Chobani yogurt coupon, I go to dairy. If I have a Chobani coupon, it's in here. If I don't have it in here, then I don't have a coupon. And that is really simple. It takes all the guesswork out of it. But what, honestly, people don't share maybe, that this actually takes hours on end. Seriously. And it's fun to do it. I used to enjoy sitting down and watching TV, so I'll cut my coupons, but it takes me, maybe I'm doing it wrong, but it takes hours. If we get a week with 2 inserts, 2 small inserts, it takes an hour. If we get really big inserts or 3 or 4 inserts, it takes 2 to 3 hours to do. And it's just a full-time job. Seriously, cutting out your coupons and putting it in here takes hours a week, and I don't use most of them. If I was using all of them, I do it, but I had Eggland's Best coupons. I always cut them. I never have bought Eggland's Best, ever. Eggs, never. They're just not the cheaper eggs, even with the coupons. So it's a lot of wasted time. But the reason I've done it is because you are guaranteed you're going to find a clearance if you have a coupon for it and everything like that. So this is what I've always done. But with that schedule I just share with you guys, I don't think it's going to be possible to be doing this binder. And even if it is, there's other things that probably should be done on Sundays instead. I like to do a variety of things. I'm just getting ready for the week. I like to do a plan for the week. A journal for the week. It's seriously, I need to do a whole entire separate video on that. Just doing a weekly summary journal thing I love it. I love it so much. I should talk about that sometime, but most of you guys are here for couponing. You care less about my journaling. So anyways, I've been thinking, let's move a little bit closer. How can I still keep up with couponing, because I don't want to let it go, but adapt it to my busy life? So I got a few tips and a few things I'm planning on doing personally. So number one is got to do with the binder. As much as I love the binder, I think I'm going to put it into retirement or just on pause for now. I think what I'm going to do is embrace the clipless method, which I've always been against. I've never really liked it. But at the same time, I feel like now I feel like if I stick with the binder, I'm not going to have much time to coupon because I'm going to be spending all my time cutting out coupons. So that's where this box comes in. This box, I got this at Hobby Lobby a long time ago when I was trying to do not the inserts, but the box method where you have the different dividers and you shove your coupons in there and everything. But I thought, well, I have this box with a handle. And so if I wanted to take this in the store, I totally could. I could take this in the store. I could leave it out in the car with me. If I want to make a run after work to get deals or something, I can do that, And so I thought, well, this is an option. It's a big box, but, it's going to hold a lot of stuff and it's going to get bigger. So I wasn't even planning on doing this, to be honest, no longer cutting my coupons out. But since we've been in the quarantine, I've still been getting inserts. They come free in the mail, actually, every week. And then my great uncle gets a subscription to the Sunday paper. So I've still been getting some. But I haven't been cutting them. I just haven't had motivation to cut them since I am not couponing due to the virus. So I've just been letting them sit here in this stack. And this got me thinking, well, maybe I could make this work for the future. And they don't last that long either. So by the time I got them cut and put in there, it just wouldn't even be worth it. So I was thinking, well, leave them in this stack, and then I'll come around to cutting them later. But like I said, then I started thinking, well, what if when I'm working, that's like coming, probably when this virus ends, I'll start looking for jobs. Do I really want to mess with it at all? So I've decided to embrace the system by going clipless. If you are not familiar with the clipless method, you use coupon databases. I like Southern Savers. I think hers is the most comprehensive and has the most in it. Coupon Tom is good too, but I noticed they miss a lot of coupons. I don't know why, but Southern Savers has always up to date. So let's say I want a Cheerios coupon. I type in Cheerios. It tells me, this is in the 320 something smart source, 322 smart source. Bam, I go to that 322 smart source, cut that coupon out, and I'm done. I'm not sitting and cutting out every single coupon. When I do Ibotta hauls and trips and stuff, I plan those ahead anyways, so I pretty much know what coupons I'm going to have. But the reason I like the idea of having it in this box is, let's say something unexpected comes up, I run into a clearance, and so I'll have my inserts with me. If I decide to take it in, I don't think I'll take this in every time. Like to a Walgreens or something, I don't think I'd take it in there because they're kind of weird about coupons anyways. And I usually have my trips planned out. So let me show you guys what I'm doing for other things. So I have the scissors to cut my coupons, obviously. And then I'm also going to utilize this little pouch. I really love this. It's on Amazon. I'm going to have links in the description to any of these products you want to buy on Amazon. I'll try to find the box with this thing. I'll definitely have this where we got it. This is a little coupon pouch, and I have it very much categorized, these little dividers. And I'm planning on just sitting coupons behind each divider. So I have it by store first. Walmart, Kroger, and Walgreens. Those are the three stores I pretty much do lately. Then I have free coupons, store coupons, dining coupons, and it just goes down through all the stores categories. Any loose coupons, I'm planning on putting in this. It's like printable coupons, tear pads, blinkies, any coupons that are still in my binder that haven't expired. I think most of them have at this point, but just so I still have coupons, all my coupons with me at all times, that's what I want. And so this is going to be coupons that are loose, that are not in the insert, that are printed, things like that. And then I'm also carrying this. I don't know if I'll ever use this, but I thought, well, maybe if I want to just, I don't know, if I'm doing a big trip. And then I plan on getting my mini clipboard. It's somewhere in this house. I want to find it and put that in here because I will have my shopping list on my mini clipboard. So that's how I plan on doing organization, because organization really is important with couponing, and I want to still have my coupons with me. This is an easy grab and go. Take this, let's say I want to hit up Walmart or Kroger after work or something. Take this box with me in the car when I'm at work. and I can just run and go. I have all my couponing stuff with me. So I'm really looking forward to that. No more worrying if I didn't get my coupons cut in my binder that it's all a lost cause. I just think it's going to be great. I'm excited for that. So number 2, the thing I'm going to stress is don't worry about getting every deal. I'm big about, I try not to, but I honestly, guys, get really with Ibotta deals and stuff, if there's a really good moneymaker that comes out, I feel like I have to do it. But really, in reality, I don't have to do it. I can just wait until another deal comes around. So if you're really, really busy, I would say don't worry about doing every deal. Don't shop every store. Just adapt it to what you need. Maybe only going once a week is all you can do. And so, that's definitely a thing. And I'm going to learn to skip bonuses. I was getting really good about that before the quarantine happened, not chasing every bonus. I'd really stopped chasing bonuses. And to me, that helped me not spend money unnecessarily. I got better about making sure my out-of-pocket really was what I wanted it to be. And I was rolling on the PayPal card. It just was so perfect, which is why it sucks that I've not been able to coupon for so long. But when I get back to it, I'm going to keep that up. Not chasing bonuses that are, I don't have to hit every bonus. I don't have to do every deal. Another big tip to remind everybody is, don't make couponing work for you. Try to take advantage of every time you can. Maybe while you're cooking dinner, put on a breakdown video so you're able to get the deals. Maybe while you're I don't want to say while you're driving, it's going to be dangerous. While you're waiting on your kid to get done at school, you're waiting in the school bus line, watch a video or go check out a blog or something. Try to fit couponing in where you can. Maybe you don't have dedicated time to sit down and do this. Take those little moments that you do have, like maybe 15-minute break here, 15 minutes here, and just watch a video, get a deal, and get deals together. Whatever you can do, make it work in your life. Hopefully this helps somebody out. I'm just kind of thinking out loud. For me, it's going to be a crazy time. I'm excited for it, though, and scared. I'm not going to lie. I'm nervous about getting a job. It's coming, and I got to get used to it. But just like anything in life, it's scary. I was scared when I went to college at 15 years old, but it turned out to be one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. I have no regrets, and so I think once I'm working, I'm going to enjoy it and love it too. All right, so that's all I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.